Welcome to the Category Input List tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create customized category input lists. This type of list has a variety of uses, such as ground cover, locator type, and contact type, and can be edited to fit your data collection needs.
On the menu toolbar, select Setup, then List Manager. In the List Manager window, select Category Input from the List Type column. The default category input lists in light orange cannot be altered, but an editable replacement can be created. If you wish to create a new category input list, click New. Enter a name and, if desired, a description. The default category type is Other. To change the default category type, select the drop-down menu in the Category Type column, then select the list type.
Highlight the list, then select the Members tab. The available category types will vary depending on the category type you have selected. Default categories cannot be edited. To add a category to the list, select a category from the Available List column, then select the single right-facing arrow. To remove an item from the list, select the item, then the left-facing arrow. The double arrows will add or remove all available options to or from the list.
If a desired category does not already exist, the user can create a custom category. To create a new category, click the green plus icon. In the Add Edit Item window, give the new category a name and abbreviation. The abbreviation is how the category will be displayed in the field Input View and Reports. If desired, add a description. If you would like to cancel all new edits, click the Cancel button. Otherwise, click Save.
To edit a category input list, select the list and the Members tab will become available. Select the Members tab to view the categories and make any needed changes. Once you are done editing, click Save. You can also import or export an existing category input list to your database.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.